If you're considering a luxurious escape to the Caribbean paradise of Grand Cayman, then the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is likely on your radar. Hi, welcome to Dive Explore channel. Before you make your reservations, let's delve into the essential facts you need to know about the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman. Let's get started. One of the standout features of the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman is its exceptional dining experience. The resort boasts an array of dining options, each offering a unique culinary journey for guests. Blue by Eric Ripert is the crown jewel of the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman's culinary offerings. Helmed by the renowned chef Eric Ripert, this restaurant is a 3-star Michelin restaurant that takes guests on a seafood-focused gastronomic adventure. The menu is inspired by the flavors of the Caribbean and showcases the freshest catch from local waters. Dining at Blue is not just a meal, it's an unforgettable culinary voyage. From the moment you step into Blue, you're transported to a world of culinary excellence. The restaurant's elegant decor, with its aquatic-inspired design elements, sets the stage for an extraordinary dining experience. The open kitchen allows diners to witness the artistry of the culinary team as they craft each dish with precision and creativity. The menu at Blue is a testament to Chef Eric Ripert's dedication to using sustainable and locally sourced ingredients. It features an array of seafood dishes, from delicate crudos to succulent main courses. Signature dishes like the Cayman Snapper and the tasting of local fish showcases the essence of Caribbean flavors, beautifully complemented by an extensive wine list. 7 is a vibrant and stylish restaurant that offers a diverse menu with international flavors. Guests can savor everything from sushi and sashimi to succulent steaks. The restaurant's open-air design provides a welcoming ambience, making it an ideal choice for a casual yet delightful dining experience. 7's menu is a testament to the culinary team's creativity and commitment to delivering a memorable experience. The sushi and sashimi offerings feature the freshest seafood expertly prepared by skilled chefs. The sushi bar allows diners to interact with the chefs and witness the artistry that goes into crafting each roll. For those with a penchant for steak, 7 offers a selection of prime cuts cooked to perfection. The restaurant's commitment to quality is evident in every bite, with each steak delivering a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Whether you prefer a classic New York strip or a tender filet mignon, 7 steak offerings are sure to satisfy. In addition to its delectable cuisine, 7 is known for its extensive wine and cocktail menu. The sommelier can guide you through the wine list, helping you find the perfect pairing for your meal. The restaurant's skilled mixologists craft creative cocktails that are both visually stunning and palate-pleasing. Andiamo offers a taste of Italy and the Caribbean. This Italian-inspired restaurant serves up classic dishes such as homemade pasta and wood-fired pizza. The warm and inviting atmosphere, complete with an open kitchen, enhances the overall dining experience. Andiamo's menu reflects the essence of Italian cuisine, simple yet full of flavor. The restaurant's commitment to using high-quality ingredients shines through in each dish. Whether you're indulging in a plate of freshly made pasta or savoring a pizza with perfectly blistered crust, you'll find that Andiamo captures the essence of Italian flavors. The open kitchen at Andiamo adds an interactive element to your dining experience. You can watch as chefs craft pasta from scratch or slide pizzas into the wood-fired oven, infusing your meal with a sense of culinary theater. Luxurious suites. The Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman also offers a variety of luxurious suites, ensuring that every guest can find the perfect accommodation to suit their needs and preferences. One-bedroom residential suite. The one-bedroom residential suite offers spacious and beautifully appointed accommodations. It includes a separate living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a dining area. Guests can enjoy the comforts of a home away from home with the added luxury of resort amenities. The one-bedroom residential suite is designed for guests seeking a residential-style experience. The separate living area provides ample space to relax, entertain, or simply unwind. The fully equipped kitchen allows guests to prepare meals and snacks at their convenience, ideal for extended stays. The Ritz-Carlton Suite. The epitome of luxury, the Ritz-Carlton Suite is a sprawling and opulent space that includes a separate bedroom, a living room, a dining room, and a fully equipped kitchen. Guests staying in this suite enjoy panoramic ocean views and exclusive access to the club lounge, where additional amenities and services await. The Ritz-Carlton Suite is designed to exceed the expectations of the most discerning guests. The living room is elegantly furnished, providing a sophisticated space for relaxation and entertaining. The dining room is ideal for hosting private meals or celebrations. Penthouse Suite. The Penthouse Suite offers the pinnacle of luxury at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman. This expansive suite features multiple bedrooms, a private terrace with a plunge pool, and stunning views of 7 Mile Beach. Guests staying in the Penthouse Suite are treated to a truly indulgent experience. The Penthouse Suite is designed to provide an unparalleled sense of opulence. The spacious bedrooms feature plush furnishings and luxurious linens for a restful night's sleep. The private terrace is a sanctuary with a plunge pool where you can bask in the Caribbean sun while taking in breathtaking vistas. While the allure of the Caribbean Sea and 7 Mile Beach may beckon you to spend your days lounging by the water, the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman offers a wealthy of daily activities for those seeking adventure and recreation. Some of the activities and amenities include: golf enthusiasts can tee off at the resort's Greg Norman-designed golf course, a championship-level course that provides both a challenge and stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. It's an excellent opportunity to perfect your swing while enjoying the island's natural beauty. The Greg Norman-designed golf course at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman offers an exceptional golfing experience. The course's layout takes advantage of the island's topography, providing golfers with breathtaking vistas as they navigate the fairways. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or a beginner, the course offers a memorable round of golf. Water sports and activities. The resort offers a range of water sports and activities, including snorkeling, paddleboarding, and kayaking. Explore the underwater world of Grand Cayman or simply soak in the sun on a paddleboard. The crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea beckon guests to embark on aquatic adventures. The resort's water sports and activities are designed to cater to guests of all skill levels. Whether you're snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs, gliding in a paddleboard, or kayaking along the coast, you'll have the opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty of the ocean. Spa and wellness. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Ritz-Carlton Spa provides serene oasis where you can indulge in a variety of treatments and therapies. Whether you're pampering yourself with a massage, detoxifying in a sauna, or enjoying a skincare treatment, the spa offers a range of options to soothe the body and mind. The Ritz-Carlton Spa is a sanctuary of wellness and relaxation. The spa's expert therapists are dedicated to providing personalized treatments that cater to your specific needs. The tranquil ambience and luxurious amenities create an environment where you can unwind and escape the stress of everyday life. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dive Explore channel. I'll see you in the next video.